I'm gonna open my Christmas Day pack, but first I will open some of my 5 gold presents. So yeah, thank you guys for 70 subs, I mean. Yeah. Bang. We get a not that good gun. Next, I mean court. Whatever I said before, it's wrong. Bang. Ooh, 105 Arvydas Sabonis. That is decent. He was a Father's Day player, I think. I believe he was a Father's Day player. But yeah, if you're watching LaMelo Ball, he was doing very good. 12 points already in the first half. Oh, we get a 105 LeBron James from the live All-Stars campaign. Don't think I got him, actually. Next, we have... Bang. Oh, just a Chase Center. Last one before we open our pack. We have 2 more things. 2 more packs. We have 2 more videos of openings, including Ghost of Christmas, and we have 2 more videos after that. Gameplay of a Ghost that we're gonna get. Bang. 25K. Okay, now let's open it. The Christmas Day present pack. I mean, not present. Christmas Day pack. 3, 2, 1. Never mind, it's still loading. A 3, 2, 1. Bang. Who did I get? Cool. I got Jamal Murray. That's decent. Thank you guys for watching. We're out.